Innova 52102022 OBD2 Diagnostic Code Scanner Review. Check the link below for more info and special 35% discount offer. Maintain peak performance and safety on the road. The 5210 OBD2 scanner helps you easily find the problem and fix the problem. Use the free mobile application Repair Solutions 2 on Apple App Store or Google Play for real-time solutions and fixes to your automotive issues. With this app, get verified fixes, find and purchase the exact part required for repair, view maintenance schedules, buy parts, receive technical bulletins, dealer and safety recalls and access to Innova's best-in-class database. Premium OBD2 code reader with enhanced coverage and functionality. This car diagnostic tool empowers home mechanics, automotive enthusiasts, and service and repair technicians with professional-level functionality. It is a vehicle code reader that reads and clears OBD engine codes and displays all vehicle information from when a trouble code was triggered. This Innova scan tool supports English, Spanish, and French. Live data for more accurate diagnosis. With the Innova 5210 OBD2 scanner, you can see your vehicle's essential information like RPM, speed, and oil temperature in real time to help identify and correct problems. You can also check and test your battery and alternator, so you know whether you need to bring your car to a technician or not. Easy self-diagnosis of emission status and other important information. Know your smog check results before your state does. This car check engine light reader determines whether you'll pass a state vehicle smog test. This OBD2 scan tool can also provide trip cycle procedures for completing your smog check. This engine reader includes functions for ABS, brake to make sure you're always driving safely. Buy with confidence with USA designed and supported products. Our California-based, ASE-certified customer support team is. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.